Hi, Nick Tockert here with the Historical Fencing Guild. Well, folks, I know this isn't a normal video, but something not normal happened. I got a box. Now, tragically, this box has seen better days. That's how it came, so, here's guessing. But it came from our good friend, John Minor of Swakhammer Metals. Now, when I get a long box, this is a nice, reasonably long box, I get excited. So what we're going to try to do, very carefully, we'll angle that down, and pardon the junk on my couch. We're going to open it up. Today I'll be opening it with a Sheffield Bola neck knife, just because some of the viewers have wanted me to see me do things with some of the other knives that I own. So, we'll just get this guy open, and you'll notice I'm using, when you're cutting, okay guys, safety tip, in the middle of this I'll be useful. When you're using a real knife, not a low box cutter, to open a box, use a chef-style grip and drag. See, this makes a very shallow drag line. You want your drag line to be less than 1/4 of an inch. Just enough to shear what you're cutting. Which in this case is some tape. And we'll get that. Now, let's we're going to sheath this guy, pocket this guy. And yeah, I don't know if I said this. I'm not wearing my neck knife because I had other things to do today. So I am still armed. I have not violated the way. But can I get this to show nice? What is in this box? I think the entertaining end is down here. What is this? Oh my gosh. This, all that, this is not for me. This is clearly not for me. Well, I mean, it is. You see, wow. Okay, guys. It is for me. Okay, at first I thought this was a gift for my wife. But, is there any letter? There's no letter. Awesome. This. John, you magnificent bastard. That's what happens when I don't wear my neck knife, because I have to reach for my neck knife every day. Manual of arms. I will be switching back into that in just a moment. This. Oh, you magnificent, magnificent man. For those of you who followed my paranormal research video, paranormal defense video, not research, I talked about, and I have talked in several cases, about the benefits of a boar spear. Now, they don't make a lot of boar spear trainers in my circles. I know Purple Heart has one. Cold Steel has something compatible. I'd have to that got a little beat up, so I might. Oh, that's plastic. That should still be safe. God, quit pointing a knife at your neck, Nick. Okay, this is magnificent. This is abso-fraggin-lutely beautiful. So there's a screw in there, and a shaft, which this will either thread directly into or... John Minor, you magnificent bastard. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm going to have to do a part 2 where I have a little bit more room. But this is just gorgeous. Offset, there we go. Offset fins. A really great striking blade. I have to check this connection because that might take a little bit of peening because I think it got beat up in transit. That's okay. I just have to be careful because I have an object on my wall. So I will cut. Wow, John, you magnificent John. Man, this thing is gorgeous. I mean, this is hand shaped. You can see the buffing. Wow. Oh, that is a good. He knows me too well. Let me just angle this up a second. Will you just do that? Look at the length on this. Sorry, my camera pose is being argumentative. But, oh, that is beautiful. Oh, God, John. That is just, the Monster Hunter in me is in absolute. That is beautiful. This is a knife on a stick. No, this is a beautiful short bore spear. It fits several of my chosen staff styles. I'm going to have to play with this and shoot part 2 of this video. And we'll just see how this goes. I just have to clear out enough space because right now the wind's just too thick to go. This is magnificent. And what I'll do, because that's just cool. You just don't see prototyping like this. This is just cool. There's a little bit of play, but you can tell. I mean, it's not going anywhere. Thank you, John. John, thank you. I love this thing, and I will probably love it until Amanda gets a hold of it. And then I might not see it again. But this is just... This is just gorgeous, John. Thank you so much. And I don't know what else to say. Well, folks, I'm going to end this part, and I'll probably set up a second video where I have more time. This was crafted by John Minor of Swakhammer Metals, and it took a little bit of beating and shipment, but not bad. And it's just a thing of beauty. So I guess what John wants is your good buddy and mine, me, to talk about these guys more. But given the amount of monster fighting requests I've had for Cindy Kep and a few others, this is just great. Now that it's in my hand, I'll probably clean it up just a bit because, like I said, it took a little bit of beating. And I might do something in realm of a butt spike, but this is, and in realm of a butt spike, looks like it will just be a table foot. This is gorgeous. John, thank you so much. I have some amazing friends, and I've met some really great people doing what I do. And John Minor has been, he's been a student and a teacher and a colleague and a friend. And I think I bounced for both of his weddings, one way or another. And, which is funny because you have to imagine my short self bouncing for Hagrid, but there was a lot less of me and I was a bit more vicious. But yeah, wow. Okay, I will do a part 2 when I have an area clear enough to really give this guy a twirl. Because if I'm going to break my living room if I don't, be very, very careful. So, guys, if you want more content, of unboxing, I'll have to set up a way for people to send me stuff. But other than that, I'm sorry. I'm a little speechless right now. But I just want to say, again, thank you, John. Thanks to John Minor of Swakhammer Metals, a.k.a. Honorable Lord Torvald Swakhammer. I know he has CCK at the end. He has a bunch of other alphabet soup for the SCA types, and I just can't remember it all. I'm in shock at the coolness of what he made. So thank you. I'll probably do a little more detailed when I can get this under better light. This is gorgeous, and yeah. Okay, so if you guys like what I do, please like, share, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about sword fighting, look up the Simple Sword on Amazon.com. Amazon.com/authors/Nicholas Tucker. And until I see you next time, support your local swordmaster.